Hi everyone, it's Tiffany here to do my recap. I traded CGC this morning. It had gapped up. It was really strong at the open. And I traded it as a 5-minute opening range break up. I saw that after the first 5-minute candle closed, it came back, tested the VWAP on relatively low volume. When it made a new 1-minute high, I went long. I took a very small partial at a level I had marked from the daily. And then it came back and stopped me out at break even. I violated my rule today that I was going to wait at least 15 minutes after the open. My win rate has been much higher when I wait 15 minutes after the open, and I did not do that. So anyhow, I was watching it as it went back down through the VWAP, and it tested this really important level from the daily. As you can see over here, this is the daily. This 29.58 level was also an important level back in August as well. So when it came down and tested that again on a hammer doji, started making new highs, I waited for it to push back up through the VWAP. And here you have this really nice, strong 5-minute candle pushed up through the VWAP. And when it came back, tested the VWAP again and made a new high, I went long with a stop below the VWAP. And I took a 25% partial at this level from the daily. And then I partialed 50% up through to the high of the day. And then when it made a new 5-minute low, I started thinking it could be a double top. So I exited the rest of my position. And here is my Tesla trade. My first shot at Tesla was a terrible trade. It was not part of my trading plan. Andrew talks about that all the time. Make sure you're trading your plan. And this was not my plan. I was trading it. I don't even know. I was trading it as a breakout. So when I trade Tesla, especially the past few days, it has been at the open, it just chops around the VWAP. And I wait for it to pick a direction. And so that's where my mind was at that time. I saw that it made a couple really nice weak candles on the 15-minute. And then it started making new lows, and I took it for a breakout. However, I noticed immediately when I got in that this moving average down here on the 15-minute chart was right there. And so my risk to reward was not good. I was hoping for yesterday's high, and so immediately I got out because I knew that this was not a good trade for me to be in. So a little while later, I saw that it pushed up through the VWAP and it finally put up a really nice, strong 15-minute candle. And it looked like an ABCD pattern starting to form on the 15-minute candle. And I saw these 5-minute dojis, and this one pushed down below the VWAP, but it just could not break back down through the VWAP. And after these 5-minute candles, as soon as it made a new 15-minute high, I went long for the break of the day. And I took 3 25% partials, and then the rest were 50 of my remaining position. And I decided to get out when a ton of volume came in on the 1-minute chart, and it put up a hammer candle. Let's see. Sorry. Right here, as you can see, there was a hammer candle, and a bunch of volume came in, and it did top out there, I believe. But that was my Tesla trade for today. I broke a couple of my rules, but I did get in a couple of nice trades. So I hope you all had a great day, and I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.